I know you clicked on this video to know my marketing strategy, and I don't want to waste much of your time because I just want to go straight to the damn point and tell you guys my marketing strategy in Global Internet Fortunes, which is a network marketing company. But before that, I just want to tell you guys that I have a playlist down in the description, so make sure that you check it out. If you're looking out there for something to really do during this pandemic with everything that's going on, make sure you check out the description, because I will be putting all the links that leads to everything in this video that you want to see will be down in the description. So let's get straight into the video. But first, you subscribe down below and ring the bell so that you don't miss my next upload, and make sure you give this video a very big thumbs up, because that helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm, and there's nothing much more better than helping each other in this world, right? Yeah, I'm here to help you, you are here to help me, so help me with liking this video. So make sure you stick around till the end of this video, because I'm going to share my best strategy, the best strategy you can use in Global Internet Fortunes to grow your business and to make more money. So stay tuned till the end. The question that I get asked a lot is, how do you get to make money with Global Internet Fortunes? What do you do? What is it that you do different? And that is why I'm doing this video. So network marketing, or specifically GIF, getting contacts is the backbone of your business, especially if you're a newbie in the business. So where can I get my contacts? I will get my contacts either offline or online. So those contacts are my prospects. There are people who I want to introduce to the business. There are people who I want to join my business and grow with me and build a bigger team. So yeah, those are my prospects. There is a formula called Cypher. If you don't know about it, I will put it up on the screen. This Cypher formula has helped me a lot to grow my business. You should have contacts, you should invite, do presentation, follow-up, enrollment, retention, and events. I'll start with contacts. So to get contacts online, first we have different platforms. You can use different platforms to get contacts in order to get the prospects that you need and to get the right prospects that you need. In WhatsApp, we have WhatsApp groups, we have people that you know, we have Facebook, we have Instagram, we have Twitter, we have YouTube, we have LinkedIn, we have all those platforms displayed for you to just get new prospects. You guys don't see opportunities, but this one is a great opportunity. Local business starts with over 100,000 or something like 50,000, but network marketing business gives you the opportunity to sit down in your house, use your phone, not even your laptop. We don't want your laptop sometimes. We just need you with your phone, because that is just enough tool for you to make enough money. I just encourage beginner entrepreneurs to leverage the network marketing business. So the first thing is getting your contacts. On WhatsApp, what I always do is this. First thing that I always do is to introduce myself to other new people. And these new people, I get them from WhatsApp groups. So I use the WhatsApp groups to get my contacts, my very, very first contacts. So the thing is gaining the trust. The thing is not selling. The thing is not telling people to buy or telling people to join the business. The thing is just gaining that trust, and the people will just join. My main thing is always focusing on building the trust. After building the trust, then I will have the prospect under control. I check on WhatsApp groups and I get contacts from there. I save the contacts and ask them to save mine too. At that point, I also tell them if they are interested in the business, they can save my contact, or if they love business stuff or they love entrepreneurship stuff, they also save my contact. You know, you want to attract the right people. You are just not going to go to random people and save random contacts, and people will not help you. People will just blame you for nothing. You make sure that you catch their attention with your first message. Make sure that your first SMS or your first message to the prospect in WhatsApp is telling them what they will benefit from the business. After saving each other's contact, then what we do next is to post frequently on your status. In WhatsApp, you want to make sure that your status is always about business. Don't go out there and crook mess around, post that. Don't post that on your status. You are chasing away your prospects. You're chasing away those people who will be joining the business. So make sure you are not posting things like that. Just post things that are meaningful, business worthy, entrepreneurship worthy, things like that, that will attract them more and will make them passionate about entrepreneurship, about business, about growing business and starting up and all that. Are the things that will make your prospects to join the business. It's not like it's magic, it's just that simple. And then the next thing is Facebook. So Facebook, we also use Facebook groups. You can use your Facebook page. On Facebook, you can post like 3 times, 2 times, or 1 times each and every day on your timeline about your business. Don't go out there and say global internet fortunes. You know, global internet fortunes is network marketing business and it can go down anytime. Yeah, we've seen so many businesses going down. So you can go to Messenger. Messenger is very, very important, by the way. You inbox people. So by using Messenger every day, you can get prospects who are interested in joining the business. Don't tell them the exact business. Let them get to the training, or let them get to watch the video that you have out there about global internet fortunes, or let them get to the website that they will see how global internet fortune work, or let them attend a training and know how global internet fortunes work and know the business at that time that they attend the training. Don't tell them that the business that I'm doing is about global internet fortunes. They will go search it up online and you will just lose them like that. Say, don't tell people the name of the company that you work with. Ask them to go watch a video or read something online or attend a training. That is how you will be able to grow your team and grow your income when it comes to network marketing. Yeah, don't reveal the main business at first hand. They will lose interest. So join as many Facebook groups as you can. Message as many people on Messenger as you can, because network marketing is a game of numbers. It is not like you will stick to one person who is not interested until they get interested. Like, it doesn't make sense. So someone doesn't like the business, leave them alone. Like, the interest might come later and they will inbox you. So the next one is Instagram. So on Instagram, it's very easy. Post on your Instagram feed, post on your IG status, inbox people on Instagram. It's not like you go to random people. The problem with new network marketers is that they inbox random people. Chill, like, just slow down a little bit. Specific people who you see that they might be interested or they will be serious about the business. There are so many other ways that you can market your network marketing business, and I have not mentioned them. You can share your testimonials, what you earn every week. You can share with those people and tell them, you know what, this business is actually working. You know, share other people's testimonials. Don't make sure that people see that you are working with other people. You know what I mean? Just to gain the trust. Make sure they see that you're working with others, because if they don't see that you're working with others, they will assume, oh, you are in business alone, like you are just doing this business alone. So just show them how the business has been working for you and has been working for other people or your friends, and they might be much more interested than you ever thought. With getting offline contacts is by using posters, flyers, business cards, third-party referrals. So you can use those type of people just to grow your offline contacts. So if you collect a large number of people from offline and online, you're likely to get more sales on your network marketing business. So just diversify. And also use YouTube. I use YouTube to grow my network marketing business. If you don't know how I use it, just watch my Global Internet Fortunes playlist. Take your business seriously and people will also take it seriously. The next thing after contacts on the Cypher formula is inviting them to seminars, to trainings, to events, anything that is rotating around your business. So this one always depends on your business. So in Global Internet Fortunes, we have our offices located around the country, like everywhere, where you can go out there and bring out your issues and just discover yourself within the business, and also to grow your business and grow your team, you can visit the office anytime. Yeah, so having a physical location where prospects or people come to ask questions and also to gain more skills is very, very important in network marketing. Yeah, so the next thing after inviting is presentation. Presentation is just presenting the business to the prospect, telling them about the business, how they can grow, how it can help them. Focus more on the advantages of the business to the prospect. Yeah, because that is how they will join the business. If you focus more on yourself, they will never know that it can work for them too. So presentation is just being done always on seminars and trainings, or watching a video online, or going to a blog post and reading it. So that one is presenting the business to the prospect. And then the next thing after presenting the business, you actually want to do a follow-up. So you don't want to just present the business to random people, and let me say 1,000 people or 100 people in a day, each day, and then you just go there and sit and wait for them to join. We're on this world. Yeah, so just do follow-up. You can do follow-up with your testimonials, business-oriented quotes. You can do follow-up with entrepreneurship quotes, things that will encourage them to want to know more and to start, and to just give them the incentive of working. In network marketing, money is on the follow-up. It's not on getting contacts, it's not on presentation, it's on follow-up. Yeah, so make sure you do proper follow-up and you do it more often, so that you cannot get forgotten. Like, the prospect cannot forget you. You know, people get forgotten on different platforms. Even, for example, on YouTube, if you stop posting your videos for like 6 months or 3 months, you will get that other people have already forgotten about you. It is the same thing in network marketing. If you don't do your business and you don't do follow-up to your prospects, then they will forget about you. Another thing after follow-up in Cypher is enrollment. They will actually get their product or get their service and start up. The next thing after starting up is to retain your prospects. Keep them on the team and make sure that they stay there. By retaining your prospect is like you be the upline you'd wish your upline was. You just be a better upline to your downline. Keeping yourself in the business and retaining yourself in the business will retain your prospect and will make you grow a larger team. So make sure you are always there for them, supporting them and giving them all the skills that they need in the business and everything that they need to know to grow their business from the ground, because that is the hardest part. Growing from the ground up is always hard. So the next thing is events. So after they have joined the business fully, they know how the business works, all the good stuff, they have the skills, they have their team. Now it's time to bring your team for events. Okay, the part that is very, very interesting about network marketing is having events, because you get to meet big millionaires. Yeah, you get to meet big people that you are going to be happy about. And making sure that your team attends events is very important, because it will make them trust the business even more, be happy, and meet other people from different kinds of locations within the world or within the country that they love. The people that inspire them online, they will meet them live in events, and they will just be happy to interact with them. Who doesn't want to interact to a millionaire or a billionaire? Who? That is the last thing about the Cypher. I think I'm done with telling you guys the marketing strategies that I use, or that you can use to grow your network marketing business or to grow your global internet fortunes business. Video has come to a halt. I think, and I hope that these tips and all this tea that I've spilled is enough to grow your business and make you think twice or think another way when it comes to network marketing or when it comes to growing your global internet fortunes business. That's it. And also, by the way, how did I just forget about the website in global internet fortunes? So make sure you make good use of your website in global internet fortunes, because by making good use of your website, you can be an affiliate marketer. You can earn from blogging, just writing down posts. So that one is also key. Aside the referral plan, make sure you make good use of your website. If you haven't watched my global internet fortunes playlist, or if you are very curious to grow your business and to start up in global internet fortunes, I will leave a link down in the description. So thank you guys for sticking around till the end of this video. If you love this video so far, give it a very big thumbs up and subscribe down below and ring the bell so that you don't miss my next upload. And thank you so much for staying around. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.